Good evening, friends. So, today we are meeting after so long, after 2 weeks. It's because of some technical glitch. Last time we wanted to upload a video, but there was no voice, so we couldn't upload. So, let's see. Nothing changed much, as we said last time. There is a correction pending, so it is going on. Let's see. This Nifty's daily chart. We'll quickly see that. As you can see the marking 1 2 3, and on this fourth wave I have marked as question mark as well. So there are two possibilities in this. Either the third wave has just completed and fourth also completed, fifth is in running state. Fifth first completed and second consolidation is going on. The other scenario could be this is not the fourth completed yet. Fourth is in progress. So fourth A down, B up, and again this C down. B was the irregular B here, and the C wave down is pending. This could be one of the scenario that fourth is running and the correction is not over yet. Alright, so the same thing is playing out in the Dow Jones Index. Same thing is happening, and actually it has taken the lower target very beautifully, but not in Nifty. It is more into consolidating state right now, and it's not falling that much the way Dow has fallen. So we can see there are two possibilities. If it is fourth completed and fifth is in running, fifth one completed and this is second, correction is going on. So there are two major supports for this: 11,650 around and 11,400, 440 or 450. So yesterday's low was around 11,500, I guess. Let me check. It was around in spot I'm telling 11,535. So it's almost close. So it may take a bounce from here tomorrow. So let's wait and watch if fifth second completed and then third wave will unfold in the upside. So minimum target it has taken 11,660 and it went down a little bit more, 11,535. So 11,430 or 440 support is there, and there is another support of this trend line. Till the time it is not broken, this trend line is not broken, you can keep the view that the fifth second wave is going on. So let's see if it is fourth not completed yet, then what? Then what would be the scenario? So if it is fourth not completed, here I put the question mark and A cursor, A and upside B and the C I have marked. So C target would be very low, around 11,000. I have marked 10,973. That is 1:1 ratio of A to C is equal to 1:1, equal ratio. So that should be around 10,973, or roughly you can say 11,000. And if it won't stop there, then the lower target would be near 10,300. So let's see tomorrow. The next week is very crucial. How it will play if this is fourth deep correction, then fifth will unfold after that, or otherwise it is already fourth completed and fifth is running, then fifth ka second should take support around 11,440 or around 11,400 500 level, in between this level. Till 11,200 we are safe. Till this trend line we are safe. If it is broken, then we will see, we'll mark it in a different way. So now we will see the Dow Jones chart. This is Dow Jones. See, again this is ABC playing out, and it has taken 1:1. A is equal to C. Minimum 26,227. It should be the target for 1:1, and it went down yesterday, on Friday, 26,143. So it has taken the minimum target of 1:1 if it is the fourth is still running. So we will wait and watch in Nifty how it will unfold. or because generally all the markets are showing same thing, um, just few days here and there, and they are making same patterns. So we have to check if in Nifty the consolidation is over and it will bounce, or it will take minimum 1:1 target and then move up. Let's see. There is another scenario for Nifty. If in case this is 1 2 3 4 and even this is fifth done, maybe it's not fifth ka one, it's fifth done, it's fifth failure, then the lower target would be much more deeper. I marked it here. The 10,300 level is coming as per the ABC pattern as well. 10,300 here. So 10,300 and 97,000. There are two levels. If we are saying that fifth is also completed and or there is a fifth failure. Actually, there's this third wave not completed yet. If you'll go by Elliott wave, the third itself is not completed yet because this 1, 2, and 3. If you'll take the measurement, uh, this is not as per the price extension, the 161.80%, which is the normal third wave. This is not the 161.80% of the projection as per the Elliott wave, but which comes around here 127.8%, around 128%, which is not a normal Elliott wave third wave count number. So those who understand the different counts, I don't want to confuse actually, so I don't want to mix it with that. So I'm not telling you here, but with that count, actually it is completed. So we will see neo wave as per the neo wave I'm telling. So as per Elliott wave, third is not even, we can see that it has completed. So there is another scenario that third is still running, that this correction is of third, fourth wave, the fourth wave of the third wave, and that is ABC correction of the fourth wave is coming, which is the part of a third wave, because 161.80% projection is not yet completed. That comes around 12,600 odd levels. So let's wait and watch how it unfolds. And the prominent low we take in Elliott wave, here it is 7,500, but not in the neo wave. As per the neo wave, that is not the low point. So somebody asked me why it is not third or fourth in the comment. So that's why I didn't want to tell that uh, as per neo the counts are a little different, because it's very rigid and very rules and principle oriented study. So let's not get into all that, and we'll keep it simple. As per the Dow Jones, it has taken ABC correction 1:1. So we are expecting the same in Nifty. Maybe it is possible that tomorrow or in a day or two it will correct till 11,440 or 11,530, the minimum correction it has taken, and it will move up.